Hey friends, it's Azubuike, your lender here with Edge Home Finance. And I want to talk to you about refinancing real quick. So 3 things that I'm going to hopefully highlight here to make sense of when it might be a good time for you to refinance. Number 1 is timing. Number 2 is value. That's the value of your home. And number 3 is debt consolidation opportunities. So I'm going to highlight and expand on these real quick. Number 1, timing. So ultimately, when I'm talking about timing, I'm really referring to future timing. When you're a homeowner, you always want to ask yourself, what's the plan for your home? How long do you think you're going to be in this home? How long is you and your family going to be settled here? And the reason that's an important question is because if you're planning on selling in 6 months, a year, even 2 years, refinancing is not going to be right for you, because ultimately when you refinance, you're rolling in new closing costs on top of the loan that you already owe. And when you sell the home, you're going to have to pay a higher balance when you sell the home, right? So if you haven't been in your home long enough for the monthly savings to ultimately recoup the costs of refinancing, then refinancing is not a financial smart move for you. Now, if you're going to be in your home long enough, I would say at least 4 years, 5 years, and beyond. Now you're giving yourself time for the savings that you get per month to recoup the costs that it took to refinance. So hopefully that makes sense. If you have any questions on that, give me a call. We can talk about your scenario specifically. Number 2 is value. So value is one of the most important elements to a refinance application. And that's one of the reasons I love Homebot and our partnership with Homebot is ultimately it's giving you access to what the market value is on your home at any given time. So value ultimately allows us to know, okay, how much equity do you have between what the home is worth and what your mortgage that you currently have, how much you owe on it. And if you have enough equity there, a lot of you that are in an FHA loan right now, for example, are paying mortgage insurance. So if you have 20% equity, well, you can now refinance out of that FHA loan into a conventional loan where you don't have to pay mortgage insurance. Even for those of you that are in a conventional loan paying mortgage insurance, that's an opportunity to get out, not have to pay mortgage insurance. So that's one of the cool things about being a homeowner is you give yourself the opportunity to grow your net worth, to grow your equity with time. Real estate always shows us that it appreciates in value. So if you give yourself enough time, a lot of times that value will be there and give you opportunities to refinance and eliminate that mortgage insurance. So that's number 2. Number 3 is debt consolidation opportunities. This is one of my most favorite type of refinances to do for my clients because it can be an ultimate game changer, okay? When you're consolidating debt, that's ultimately what you're doing with equity, okay? You're basically tapping into your equity. You get up to 80% of the value of your home, and whatever you owe minus closing costs is what you pocket, okay? So that money that you pocket can now be used to pay off student loans, car loans, credit card debt, whatever the case is, and you can use that to ultimately change your financial setup, lower the amount of money that's going out per month so your cash flow going out is less and you're in an improved situation financially. So those are the opportunities that you should look for when it comes to refinancing your home. As always, I'm here to help. Feel free to give me a call at any given time. Happy to help, and hopefully this video was helpful for you. Till next time, take care and God bless.